Hey you guys, I am actually on my way. As you see, I'm driving. I'm on my way to the grocery store, and it's a rainy day. I was in bed, so I just got up, took my shower. I said, let me go ahead and get out. It's a rainy day, and I said, let me go and get out. It's cold too. I wanted to go ahead and get out so I can get my day started, as well as so I can get back home. But what I'm gonna do, I want to do some meal prepping, or prepping for the freezer, vegetables or whatnot. So I wanted to do that. So I'm on my way to the grocery store to get my vegetables and whatnot to prep. And like I said, I hope everybody's doing well, and you all just have a good day, because I am. I'm gonna do that and get back so I can maybe watch some TV, maybe get a good video or a movie on, and that's all I plan to do. Because it's raining. I don't know if you got, it's kind of drizzling now. You may hear the windshield wiper blades, but that's what I want to do today. I just want to come in and just tell you guys hello, and let's get our meal prepping done. So all right then, until we get to the store, I'll talk to you guys later. Y'all, I made it here to the store, and guess where I'm at? Let me show you. I am at Aldi's. Yep, Aldi's. Got a good park. You see the handicap, and then it's a car beside me, so I got a good park. And it is raining. But y'all, I tell you what, when you go, as you know, anyone that has ever been to, some people say Aldi, because it's A-L-D-I, Aldi, or Aldi's. I say Aldi's. If any one of you have ever been to Aldi's or Aldi's, if any of you have ever been to Aldi's, you know they don't have bags. And I went to the Dollar Tree the other day, got me this container so I can put my bags in. But guess what? The bags and the containers are at the house. So I don't have any bags. And I usually keep bags in the trunk of my car. But as I go to stores like this, I, use them. But what I'll have to do today, because I plan on getting several containers or several things of vegetables, I usually get the box. I'll get an empty box and I'll pack my stuff in, because it's raining, and not because it's raining, but it is raining, and I don't want to be having to deal with so many bags. But I would use my bags if I have them. But come on, I don't know that I'm going to film while I'm in here, because I just want to get in and get out. But anyway, I just wanted to tell you that. So if you shop at Aldi's a lot, or places like that don't give you bags, that's how they say, or you can pay for your bags, which I refuse to. Get your a container and keep it in your car. Another thing I saw, I was watching something, because I watch a lot of YouTube or things of that nature. One hack was someone would use like after you use your Kleenexes, or tissues, Kleenex, use the box and just stuff your plastic bags in that. That was a good hack, I thought. But I just went and got a plastic container, and that's what I put it in. If I don't forget, I'll show you what I got. Alrighty, let's go in here. Yeah, I decided to film a little bit in here. That's why I like coming in early, because there is no one really here, and you can get in and get out. But let's see. As you see, they got the broccoli crowns for $1.69. I think I'll get me a couple of those. Then you get your radishes for $1.19. And course, your cucumbers over there for 69 cents. So, and there's your mushrooms. You guys, you got your baby Bella mushrooms for $6.79, and your regular mushrooms for $1.55. So I think I'll get me a couple of mushrooms. We'll do some meal prep. And there's your carrots for $1.70. No, that's for the large ones, but these are 79 cents. And here you have your potatoes. You get a bag for $3.29, or the bigger ones $4.99. And look at your sweet potatoes, $1.69. So that's a lot better than almost $11 of potatoes I saw at Walmart. And there's your onions. And as you see, the potatoes are gone. These potatoes, which were $5.99. And you have your, look at your celery, y'all. If you like celery, 95 cents. So next, what I'm going to do is get my zucchini and squash. As you see, $1.49 for squash, and zucchini is $1.29. And your lettuce is $1.75. But look at these, y'all. Look how small they are. You see how small that lettuce is? And they know they ought to be ashamed of themselves. Let me pick out my zucchini and squash. And y'all, if you like squash, see that's 95 cents. I guess that's 95 cents a pound. And your cabbage is 65 cents. I was in Aldi the other day. These are kind of small, but they do have big ones, because we was in here the other day and got some big ones. Of course, you got the tomatoes. And $1.95 for those. Or you get $2.89 for those. And here's your mini peppers. Mini sweet peppers. And here's the larger ones for $2.69. And there's your bell peppers, $2.09. And here's your avocado, they're 59 cents. You got bags of them there. And apples. And there's your organic peppers. But I think I'm gonna get some multicolored peppers to prep, as well as my green peppers. Yeah, speaking of this, y'all see them? I said these tomatoes are $2.89 for the bundle of them like this, or the bundle, or you can get the $1.95. But yeah, I was at Walmart the other day, and guess what? That same bundle of tomatoes, they were ringing up for 2 cents. So when I got up there and I scanned them, they rung for 2 cents. So, you know, you might get a little surprise sometimes whenever you're shopping. Yeah. So y'all see I got my box. What I do is, when I'm shopping, I look for like something that's almost empty. And so if you saw those tomatoes right there, these two was the last one in that box, so I put them up there. Those are jalapeno peppers. I said tomatoes. But what I do, I just get the box. So y'all, I just got out of Aldi's and finished everything. Got all the way back to the car. It was pouring down, got wet, my feet are wet, and forgot the main thing when I come to the store for. Let me show you. I forgot, but I went back in there. My blueberries. That's what I was coming here really for. So I had to go back out there. And when I say my feet are wet, my feet are wet. I need to get me some, what do you call it, canvas shoes or leather shoes. But my sneakers have a claw. Yeah, I know you don't wear them in the rain. But anyway, I'm on my way over here to Dollar Tree, and then I am going back home because I don't want to deal with this rain. And y'all, why is it that you never think about an umbrella till it rains? I have an umbrella, but it is raggedy. But it keeps the rain off of you a little bit. But yeah, you never think about a umbrella till it starts to rain. All right, let's go over here to Dollar Tree. So y'all, there's what I got today. There's your squash, zucchini, multicolored peppers, green peppers, mushrooms, and your broccoli. I almost said garlic. But yeah, this is what I'm gonna prep.